Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Patriot door panel. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then remove the door handle trim and switch bezel gently with a trim tool. Unscrew visible screws and pry clips along the bottom edge, working slowly to avoid breaking plastic. Label hardware as you go and keep the panel close so wiring stays organized for reassembly. With the panel exposed, loosen screws around the armrest and switch cluster, then pop out the window switch assembly to reveal hidden fasteners. Use a trim tool to release lower clips methodically, moving from the front to the rear to avoid warping the panel. Once clips are free, lift the panel upward to unhook it from the top lip, then carefully disconnect any electrical connectors and the courtesy light wiring before setting the panel aside. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY videos. Quick recommendation: use leak-proof meal prep containers as a handy way to sort screws and small parts while you work, keeping them secure and labeled in one place. They're compact, stackable, and save time sifting through piles on the bench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After the panel is free, press connector tabs and pull straight to detach switches, speakers, and courtesy lights, keeping connectors facing up to avoid pin damage. Inspect plastic clips and replace any that are cracked with matching retainers to prevent rattles and ensure a snug fit. Before reinstallation, briefly reconnect the battery and test window motors and lock actuators to verify everything functions correctly. Then disconnect the battery and continue reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.